Ever thought about like learning to code, but you're kind of wondering like, is it even worth it now that AI is like everywhere?
Yeah.
We've got this excerpt here, basically arguing that coding skills are not only like going to stay relevant, they're going to be even more important.
Right.
So let's dive into this.
Yeah, let's deep dive into it.
The source here is so confident AI won't be replacing coders anytime soon.
All right.
Um,
Yeah, like surprisingly so.
yeah, it's practically guaranteeing anyone who learns to code has like job security for life. But like, why are they so sure? I mean, AI is getting crazy smart.
It really is. It's amazing what AI can do, but it does have its limitations.
Okay.
It's kind of like imagine a chess master, right?
Okay.
They can beat anyone, but they don't actually understand like the emotions behind the game, or the strategies.
Right.
In the same way AI can write code, like nobody's business, but it struggles with that human element.
Yeah.
Things like what users actually need or like intuitive design. Those are things human developers are really good at.
I see. So AI isn't going to wake up tomorrow and like build the next Facebook or something.
Exactly. And that's where the source's main point comes in. Developers who can actually use AI effectively will have like a massive advantage.
Okay, I'm listening.
Think about it.
Yeah.
You could have AI-powered tools that run like thousands of tests in just seconds, catching all those tiny little bugs that humans would miss.
Oh.
That frees up developers to work on, the bigger picture stuff like design and user experience.
Okay, that makes sense. It's like having a super powered assistant to do all the boring work.
Right.
And you get to do all the creative fun stuff.
Precisely. And the source even mentions AI as like a personalized tutor.
What?
Yeah. Those like coding problem sets that make you want to tear your hair out?
Oh, yeah.
And AI could like analyze your code, suggest solutions, and even like explain the logic behind it.
Wow. So you're like learning as you're coding? That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
It's almost like having a coding mentor available 24/7. But isn't there a downside to like relying on AI so much? Could it make developers kind of lazy or less skilled?
That's a good point. It's a valid concern. It's like with any powerful tool, it depends how you use it, right?
Right.
If you just copy and paste whatever the AI suggests without understanding it, you're not really learning anything.
You're just a code pasting machine.
Exactly. You're a code monkey at that point.
Yeah.
So yeah, learning to code isn't just about memorizing syntax anymore.
It's more about the logic, the problem solving, and like you said, knowing how to use AI as a partner.
Yeah, collaborator.
So even if AI takes over some of the boring tasks,
Yeah.
human creativity and problem solving will still be super important.
100%. Think of it this way. AI can build a website, sure, but it takes a human to design a website that people actually want to use and enjoy using.
Okay, I think I'm getting the bigger picture here. Learning to code is still relevant,
Yeah,
but the way we learn and work is changing because of AI.
that's it. You got it.
It's not about being replaced by AI. It's about learning how to use AI to our advantage.
Right. And the source was really focused on, like the job aspects, the practical side of things.
Yeah.
But think about all the other benefits, Even learning to code just a little bit can change how you think. It teaches you how to break down those big problems, think logically, and like come up with solutions step by step.
So even if you don't become like a professional coder, it could make you a better problem solver in any field.
Absolutely.
Wow, that's pretty convincing. I think we've covered a lot today. The key takeaway here is learning to code is more relevant than ever, but AI is changing how we need to think about it. It's not about being replaced by AI. It's about learning to work with it. Now, here's something to ponder. The source focused on the practical benefits of coding, but could learning to code even change how you view the world, even if you never write a single line of code professionally?
That's a great question.
That's something to think about.
Yeah, food for thought.
Thanks for listening.
Thanks for having me.